Hello，各位大家好，欢迎来回到我的频道。大概快2个月没有录影，然后谢谢大家，就是等我这2个月。我们今天重新开始啊，开始的第一集就是Charlie and the Chocolate Factory。好，这个第7单元，Charlie's Birthday，那要准备开始喽。Happy birthday! Cried the four old grandparents as Charlie came into their room early the next morning. 好，在上一个单元我们已经知道，我不好像快2个月没有录这个，所以呢，我刚刚还在回顾一下这个里面有什么内容。好，所以它这个有一个很重要的关键字哦。现在是 Charlie 生日了 ，OK，Charlie 生日了。Charlie smiled nervously and sat down in the edge of the bed. He was holding his present, his only present, very carefully in his 2 hands. Wonka's whipper scrapped fudge melody light. It says on the wrapper. The 4 old people, 2 at either end of the bed and 2 at the either end of the bed. 好，这边你看，这边我有做一些强调啦。你可以看到这边 ，he smiled nervously， 他好像有点紧张的笑着，好像he smiled nervously。然后 his only present， 他唯一的礼物，因为他就只有这一个礼物。第一单元有讲，如果没有的话，你可以去下面资讯栏这边呢去看看哦。然后，这边它是他的名字的，这是他的名字，所以我看这个名字，他的名字 Wonka's Whipper Scrappy's Fetchman's Delight。It says on the wrapper 就是那个包装纸 ，OK？ 好，那就是这样。好，下一页 ，OK， do。还有这个就是，我看一下，因为这个拍的 ，OK。They propped themselves up on their pillows and stared with anxious eyes at the candy bars in Charlie's hands. Mr. and Mrs. Bucket came in and stood at the foot of the bed, watching Charlie. 好，现在开赌盘，你们觉得 Charlie 会得到那个 the golden ticket 吗？那个 golden ticket 啥？这个票，这个票就是金的票。好了 ，golden tickets， 我忘记它的中文是啥。好 ，The room became silent. Everybody was waiting now for Charlie to start opening his presents. Charlie looked down at the candy bars. He ran his fingers slowly back and forth along the length of it, stroking it lovingly. And the shiny paper wrapper made little sharp crackly noises in the quiet room. Then Mrs. Bucket said gently, "You mustn't be too disappointed, my dearling. If you don't find what you're looking for underneath the wrapper, you really can't expect to be as lucky as that." "She's quite right," Mr. Bucket said. Charlie didn't say anything. After all, Grandma Josephine, in the whole wide world, there are only 3 tickets left to be found. 好，这边那其实他的妈妈跟爸爸其实也是非常的好，他就说不要太在意啊，因为就是说没有找到那个 golden ticket 也没关系。After all, Grandma Josephine said, in the whole wide world, there are only 3 The things to remember, Grandma Georgina said, is that whatever you happen, you still have the bar of candy. Wonka's whipper, Raffles, fudge mellow delight, cried Grandpa George. It's the best of them all. You just love it. Yes, Charlie whispered. I know. Just forget all about those golden tickets and enjoy the candy, Grandpa Joe said. Why don't you do that? They all knew it was ridiculous to expect this one poor little candy bar to have a magic ticket inside it, and they were tried as gently and as kindly as they could to prepare. Charlie for the disappointment, but there was one other thing that the grown-up also knew, and it was this, that however small the chances might be of striking lucky, the chance was there. 这句话讲得非常非常的好。The chance was there. The smallest chance. 但即使那个愿望太小，但它还是有机会。好，到底查理会不会呢？ The chance had to be there. The particular candy bar had as much chance as any other of having a golden ticket. And that was why all the grandparents and parents in the room were actually just as tense, as excited as Charlie was, although they were pretending to be very calm. You better go ahead and open it up, or you'll be late for school, Grandma Joe said. You might as well get it over with, Grandpa George said. Open it, my dear, Grandma Georgina said. Please open it. You're making me jumpy. Very slowly, Charlie's finger began to tear open one small corner on the wrapped paper. The old people in the bed all leaned forward, craning their scratchy necks. Then suddenly, as though he couldn't bear the suspense any longer, Charlie tear the wrapper right down. Da da da! Oh. 照片太好。The middle and the top. 太长了，继续。A light brown, creamy colored chocolate candy bar. There were no sign of a golden ticket anywhere. Well, that's that, said Grandma Joe brightly. It's just what we expect. 这个有点开朗的一个人啊。Charlie looked up. The 4 kind old faces were watching him intently from the bed. He smiled at them, a small sad smile. 好可怜的 Charlie. Then he shook his shoulder and picked up the candy bar and held it up to his mother and said, Here, Mother, have it. We'll share it. I want everybody to taste it. Oh, what a sweet kid. Certainly not, his mother said. And the others all cried, No, we wouldn't dream of it. It's all yours. Please, begged Charlie, turning around and offering it to Grandpa Joe. But neither he nor any other else would take even a tiny bite. It's time to go, my darling. A time to go to school, my darling, Mrs. Bucket says, putting an arm on Charlie's skinny shoulder. Come on, or you'll be late. 好，这个故事确实是蛮感人的，那就是主要是在讲说里面没有没有 golden tickets。那很可惜，然后其实 Charlie 也是非常不错，他想要把那些巧克力给他的爸妈跟那个爷爷奶奶，其 其实也是非常的棒啊，就是很好，然后就是对，蛮感人的一个故事啦。好啦，那大家1到7单元读完，那大家有什么感想啊？可以在下面留言处帮我写一下那大家可以记得去填 survey cake， 如果你有任何意见给我的话，当然我很愿意看到。那谢谢大家的支持，我们第8单元的要不要前期？我们第8单元呢，我们就下次见，拜拜，拜拜。